Today, we're going to talk about the 5 steps of felling. Step 1 is going to be your heights and your hazards. Your height meaning how tall the spar is or how tall the tree is. Once you determine that, you then can roll into your hazards, which determining your drop zone and what hazards are in that drop zone. Step 2 is going to be your lean and your load, your double L's. Does the tree or the trunk have any kind of lean? Secondly, your other L is going to be your load. Which side of the tree has more foliage? Step 3 is going to be one of your most important, which is going to be your escape route. Your escape route always has to be 45-degree angles out the back. This path is going to be the most release of resistance, okay? That means tripping hazards, bushes, anything that could tangle you up from escaping away from the tree. Step 4 is going to be determining your face cut. You're going to come into the base of the tree in the direction that you want the tree to fell. You're going to come in horizontally, as flat as you can. Your next cut is going to be at a 45-degree angle coming down, creating that mouth. All right, moving forward to your 5th and final step. So your back cut is always going to be from the cheeks of your cut. You're going to take it from the cheek from here and here, and you're going to come together to get a reference of where you need to start your back cut. Once it's giving you that feeling, then you make your way to your escape route, and your tagline does the rest.